On today's product review, we have this ceramic collapsible storage bin. They can be used, pretty durable in any aspect. Garage storage, home storage, basement storage, a bunch of different things. So what it is this is how it ships, and we're just gonna kind of put it all together here. Seems fairly straightforward, so we just have the top here. Here's a see-through front. A little bit of decoration there. What you can do is open it. So, but let's see. Clips in. Clips in on every side. And on the top goes on it like so. And then what you can do, it doesn't have any wheels, I'm just sliding it around. Actually, it does have wheels, I'm sorry. So you can roll it if you need to. It's good for storing whatever. Then if you need to open it from there, you can open it here. Or, what you could also do, whoops, is open it up from the top as well. So, a bunch of different avenues. Y'all saw how easy it was for me to just put together here in less than 2 minutes. And we'll throw some stuff inside just to show you the capacity and what all it holds and whatnot. And then we'll wrap this video up. So you can take the top off. I don't think it's designed for that. But what you can also do is you can get multiples of these and actually stack them on top of each other. So that's a big plus. I have an air fryer in here right now, and then I can throw these 13-inch flower pots in there, and you can see that it's a decent amount of storage for what it is. You can throw some books in there, anything that's square or cube, and really have a large capacity. So again, taking larger items out, they'll fit, but this lip here on the top, you kind of have to shimmy them in sideways. But like even this air fryer right here will fit just fine in it. So that's kind of the storage dimensions that you're looking for. Again, it's about 2 feet by about 14 inches or so. You'll see what the exact dimensions are though. So we'll wrap this video up next. So as you can see, I placed it up against the wall here, and you can see some of my tile and then the neutral wall color that I have in this room. And this right here basically blends in, which ideally is kind of what you want when it comes to storage. So you could even put this in like a common area, and if you stack them on top of each other, you can see the contents inside, which is a plus. And you can also, like I said, stack them on top of each other and just maximize the amount of space that you have for storage by being able to do that. And again, huge pluses because it's white, it sticks, it doesn't stick out in rooms. Of course, you can slide them away in closets and all that good stuff. So hopefully you can see the use for this storage bin, and I appreciate y'all watching this product review video. Catch you on the next one.